Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This amazing hairstyle you're looking at right here was made using Brazilian wool, and trust me, I'm going to take you on 2 steps on how you can achieve this hairstyle. Anytime I see Brazilian wool, what I see is a priceless wool, a priceless yarn that I can use to make 1001 hairstyles. So for this hairstyle, it's actually a twist kind of hairstyle, but I'm going to show you like 2 different methods that you can make a twist hairstyle. So we're going to be starting with method 1. Anytime I want to use Brazilian wool to make any hairstyle, you need to consider the length of the hairstyle you are making. Then if you will notice that Brazilian wool comes in strands, so count out the strands. You can count it out in 5, 4, depending on how big or small you want it to be. Now the first method that I'll be using here is to divide the hair or section the hair into three unequal, or however you want to make it, but just make it 3, just open it into 3 places. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is to put in your extension, your Brazilian wool extension. Just follow the video, just watch closely on how I added the Brazilian wool extensions to the hair. Then I plaited it a little bit before twisting. This is the method 1. I know about 4 methods that you can use to make a twisting hairstyle, okay, but in this video I used only 2 methods. So this particular method, now you're going to braid it a little bit. Now if you look closely, you'll notice that I have started twisting the hairstyle. I've started twisting the hair rather. So it's almost like you squeeze and twist, you turn it over. So just watch the video closely. I'm sure you're going to learn it by watching the video. Okay, so you just keep twisting till you get to the length you want the hair to be. So once you've gotten that, you need to secure the end by knotting it. Okay, just like I'm doing in this video. Once you knot it, cut out the excess parts, then use your candle or your light or your lighter to keep the end in place so that it won't lose from there. That is all for the first method. Now over to the second method. All you need to do is to open it into 2. Like the section part you are going to plait, you just open it into 2 equal parts. Now fixing the extension, twist just a little bit, twist the extension alongside with the hair a little bit before flipping it over, then begin to twist. So if you notice the difference between the first method we used and the second method, the first method we opened it into 3 places, then the second method we opened it into 2 places. And also the first method, you would notice that we braided it a little bit before we started twisting. But in the second method, no braiding, you just twist from the roots up till wherever you want the length to be. And there are other methods whereby you need to kind of thread the root before twisting. For the rest of the hair, I use the second method because I find it quite easy and interesting. And that's how we keep twisting. So once we are done on the left side, we repeat the same method on the right side, and voila, we are done. Then you can finish up by using hair mousse or any hairspray that is good and mild on children's hair. Use it, and then you are done. This one is optional. You can decide to use accessories, colorful accessories on the hair to make the look pop out and stand out. I want to know what you feel or what you think about this hairstyle. Let me know your thoughts at the comment section, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. See you in my next one. Until then, stay safe out there, make the right choices all the time. Bye.